Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon, even ones that are a set and cannot be separated. I'm talking, of course, about the HB Kang 100 pack. Let's put it in the clamper and get it going, huh? Let's do it. Okay, let's see here. HB Klang or Kang? Kang? Kang. Oh, here we go, I got it. We did it. Let her rip. This is a PFE machine, particulate filtration efficiency machine. We are shooting hundreds of thousands of tiny particulates at 0.1 microns, doing the American standard surgical mask test here to tell you if you can trust what these guys at HB Kang are saying. This woman seems like she's being forced to take this photo, doesn't she? Excellent breathability, we shall see. Look at this. Protects wearer from dust and some particles. That's not a ringing endorsement. Let's look at the box. Let's look at the box. I have it labeled box on my switcher, but this isn't a box, is it? It's a set. Do not separate. This is a, wow, $6.24. That's 6 cents a mask delivered to your house. Basically free. So it doesn't even matter if it protects you because for this price, they're paying you to take it. But we're talking about your health here, people. Is it worth it? I knew that was going to happen. These are really nice ear loops. They look very soft, but what good are ear loops if they don't stay on your ears? Am I right? Try it on. Nice nose wear. I can't place this smell, so I'm only going to call it must be an Amazon fulfillment center. The packaging is very, it's not very thick, so it's going to smell like whatever it happens to be next to. I'm just wondering if if you just move at all, like if you buy these, make sure you take 4 or 5 of them with you when you go into the grocery store, because I think like you're just going to be shopping for carrots or broccoli or whatever it is that you're shopping for, and like it's just going to like. It's gonna break. Actually, this one's good. The other one though is like, yeah, that's not full. No, but you get my point. It's fine. But does any of that matter if it protects you or not? That's what we're here for, folks, to see what the Oracle, our local god, the PFE machine, does this protect you? $250,000 lab says, nope, way off. 81.126. 81.126. Is that really shocking, though? Is it really shocking? I mean, $6 for 100 masks? That's a really great deal. This is one of those, file this under you, get what you pay for. Especially, and will someone call help for this girl? I'm worried about her. Very worried. What was the breathability? 60 pascals. They didn't lie about the breathability, though. And they didn't lie about anything else, because there's literally no words on this package, which I'm pretty sure is a violation of the Federal Trade Commission, because you need to say where something comes from, and this doesn't. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate you being here, and I'll catch you on the next test, which is every day at 10 a.m. I'll see you tomorrow.